Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and I've got my last, took a big long break, came back around 11:30. It was typically a better time to trade, and took flat trade in here, minus 3 ticks here, minus a tick here, and then re-entered right on top here. This was the move I was looking for, and so far so good. Trying to make that turn. Figure I'd give it a little bit of room, but we could be right there at the top there for the day. It's a nice big push. It's a nice big push there. So kind of locked in half of that trade there. 2, 4, 15, 14, 4 points here on the first half here, and we're kind of losing a little bit of momentum. I could take that. Okay, I just took that out of market. It's probably going to drop here, so might as well just take the extra tick. So just wait the rest towards the end of the day here, so I don't think there's going to be anything else. There might be another trade in there, but we've got 5 minutes to go. So no sense in pushing it. Just lock that in and yeah, call that a day. That was a good. This was the area where I just came in. We were consolidating there for a little while, and that was a good. That was a good move. Yeah, I had one of my students asking me about taking the bigger trades and what and how to do that. So I thought I'd try and find him a good example. I'll go over it in tonight's recap, and that probably be a good lesson. Well, market was been pretty flat here, so it's not a whole lot that was going on. Let's take a look here in the bigger time frame chart here. Yeah, we went for a few hours in here, several hours, just kind of nothing, and it's beginning to wonder. But had a whole lot of buying come in. This is where all the stops were earlier in the day. This is where I was talking about in my blog. This is the area where there was some really heavy resistance here. A lot of stops in this area here, and we sold off. I did get a piece of this sell-off here and had a nice piece of this increase here. But took a big break out of that. 11:30 is really typically a good time. Some people say 11 o'clock, and that's fine. But if you really want to narrow it down, 11:30 to 12:45, that hour and 15 minutes is probably the best if you were going to take that smaller time frame in there. And just take a look at that price action there. That's the high of the year, high of the day. Pretty good. So the momentum continues higher. You could see we had weakness in the morning, and then we came back into this neutral ground in here, and a lot of people were expecting a big sell-off in here. Didn't happen. It pushed higher, and then all the sell-off people were placing those positions in here. This little bit right here was your clue, that little piece right there, and that's where I got in right before the takeoff. So this was that was your clue, and if we were going to fail, it's going to fail right in here, a small loss or a big fat gain. So that's what I was looking for. All the short covering came in right over this high, and then came in from the this high up in here. So the last push, this push up in here, this is all short covering, and typically all those stops were hit, and now potentially we could pull back, but I'm not going to hang in there to find out how strong the market actually is with the 2-3 minutes, few minutes left to go. So that's it for me. Actually a good day, some gains in the morning, nice break, and then a nice good gain here towards the end of the day. So until next time, Vince at Sniper Day Trading. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.